Happy Monday, boys and girls. This week we are going to be doing a new spelling pattern. And to be honest, it's a little bit more difficult. It's good. Most of the words are going to be two syllables or they're going to be vowel combinations. So what that means is two letters are going to make one vowel sound. And we're going to be working with the long I sound and the long A sound. Now, what is the long I sound? I. And what is the long A sound? A. Now, we've already learned that about the magic E, that if it's an I, then a consonant, then E, the E is going to make the I say its name. If it's A, consonant E, then the E is going to make the A say its name, so it's going to be a long vowel. Today we're going to focus on two other sounds. Now let's look at here. Right here is a word. It looks like it's probably two syllables. And I can tell it's two syllables because I have a vowel here and a vowel here. So how many ever vowel sounds there are, that's how many syllables it's going to be. Now I have this E here, but this probably works with that. So what would this first syllable be? Let's sound it out. G-A-T, gate. Now, when I sound out this part, are there any vowel combinations? Do two letters work together? A and Y do. So A and Y are going to say A. So let's sound out this part. W-A, way. So this whole word is gateway. So one of the sounds we're going to be working with this week, or one of the vowel combinations we're going to be working with is A-Y. That says A. So right here, let's figure out how many how many syllables it is. I see two vowels next to each other. They might work together, and then I see an I here. So this word's probably going to be two syllables. So let's go ahead and let's look at this AI. AI, when they're next to each other, again, it says A. You may have remembered we've talked about this before. When two vowels are next to each other, it says the first one's name. So the first vowel is A, so we're going to say A. So let's figure this out. A-Z, raise, ins, raisins. So again, there's two vowel sounds, the A and the I, so it's two syllables. Let's look at this one right here. Right away, I look at this word and I see, oh, there's a suffix on the end. So what is that going to say at the end? So now I need to figure out the rest. Now, one hard vowel pattern is I-G-H. I-G-H says I. So let's go ahead and sound this out. I, higher, higher. So this is a tricky one, and honestly, in third grade, I bet you work on this one again because it is so tricky. So again, if I look at this word, I see a suffix that's going to be ing, and what vowel do you see in the rest of it? This one's tricky because there's really not a vowel, but Y can sometimes work as a vowel, as we know. So Y can say I, especially if it's at the end of the word or the end of a syllable. So this is flying. So Y is another way to say I. So let's go over these. The four ways that we're going to be talking about is AY saying A, AI says A, IGH says I, and Y says I. Now, I want you to go back and ask yourself, what are the two ways that we talked about so far that say A? If you said AI and AY, give yourself a pat on the back. What are the two vowel patterns or the two ways that say I that we're talking about this week? If you said IGH and Y, give yourself a pat on the back. So let's go ahead and, we already did this word, but if you look, A and Y are on one card. Why is that? If you said something along the lines because they work together to make one sound, you are right. So let's look at the first syllable, G-8, Gate, again, the E is silent because it works with the A. And way, gateway. So right here, what we're going to do is, we've talked about this before. If it's a longer word, I always look at the beginning and end to see if there's a suffix or prefix that I know about that I can just erase, pretend's not there while I figure out the root word. So that's what we're going to do here. Right here, what is there a prefix or a suffix? There is a suffix. So let's pretend the suffix isn't there. And let's figure out the root word. Let's blend it. Shy. Now add the suffix. What's the word? Shyness. So now the suffix just changed. What word is this? Shyest. Is there a suffix or a prefix? If you said suffix, you're right. This is the suffix, which is less. So let's figure out the first part of the word. Let's blend it. Pain. So the whole word is painless. Excellent. Again, we're changing the suffix from less to this. Look at the suffix. What suffix is that? What word is this? Painful. Okay, suffix or prefix? Suffix. Excellent. So we're going to pretend that's not there. Let's figure out this word. Light. Now, if I add that suffix on, what's the word? Lightest. Okay, let's suffix or prefix. Suffix, what's the suffix? If you said S, good job. So let's go figure out this part of the word. Ready? Tight, because remember, IGH says I. So what word is this? Tightest. Excellent. I'm not going to say suffix or prefix, but I'm going to give you a second. I want you to look at this word, decide if there's a suffix or prefix, and then we're going to blend it. So look at this word. Now let's blend it. Fight. Add the suffix. Fighter. Let's blend this word. Bright. Add the suffix. Brighter. Let's blend this one. Spy. Add the suffix. Spying. Okay, let's blend this one. Try. Add the suffix. Trying. Let's blend this one. Train. Add the suffix. Training. Now this one, we haven't had a prefix yet. I shouldn't say that that's not a prefix. It's just a 2-syllable word. So this is what? So now we need to figure out the second syllable. Afraid. Now again, we need to figure out, these are a little trickier. Like this one right here coming up is really tricky. Let's see if we can blend it. Radio. So this, you could have sounded as radio, and we know that's not a word. So when it's A's alone, sometimes it does say that long A sound. Let's figure out this. Climate. Now, climate, I don't know that that's necessarily a word. It sounds a little funny. Does anybody know what word it is? Climate. Good job. Let's just go ahead and read these, and then I'm going to tell you what it is in a second. So what word is this? Blend it. What word? Cider. Excellent. This one is a compound word, so figure out the first word and the second word. Go ahead. What word? Sailboat. First syllable, second syllable. So go ahead and figure those out. What word? Explain. What word? Sprain. Now I hope that on this one you realized, okay, there's a suffix. Let's take it away. Okay, let's go ahead and sound this one. In, ripen. So I have ripen here, added that on. What is it? Ripening. Let's look at this one. Go ahead and, sorry, my curse. There we go. Sound this out. Waken. Now add ing. What is it? Wakening. Okay, so I see IGH. What does IGH say? I. Okay, so let's sound it out. It. Fright in. Frighten. So now this is, we added something on there. What word is that? Frightening. Frightening. Okay, let's do this one. What word? Mistake. Add on the suffix. What word? Mistaken. Now, there's a long I with the magic E, so let's sound it out. File. Now it adds on a prefix. What's the word? Misfile. Okay, let's look at the first syllable. Second syllable. What's the word? Placement. And we already know this part of the word because of there. Add on the prefix. What word? Misplace. Now look at in here. I see magic E that might make that say its name. So let's go ahead. Silent. Silent. And then if I have ly at the end, what does it say? Okay, so what's the whole word? Silently. Final. Final. Add ly. What's the word? Finally. Go ahead and sound this one out. What's the word? Graceful. Add ly. What's the word? Gracefully. Excellent. I know this is a long one because these are longer words. Okay, so I want you to just look at number 7, and I'm going to give you about 10 seconds or so, maybe a little longer, and I want you to try to read these words out loud. Okay, let's read them. Detailed. Require. Finalize. Stationed. Excitement. And flavorful. Now read this out loud. Let's read it all together. The woman was afraid of the growling dog. Now read it as fluent as you can. Fantastic. Read this in your head. Okay, let's read it together. Once upon a time, a kind of elf helped a princess. And it looks like an S is covered up there. So go ahead and read it as fluent as you can. Excellent. So tomorrow when you do your sort, let me go back here real quick. When you do your sort, you're going to have words that have IGH, Y, AI, and AY. So as you sort them, you need to make sure that they say the sound and match the vowel patterns. I miss you all very, very much. Again, as always, I can't wait to see you all again. Have a fantastic week.